Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely Tuesday so far, and I hope that after you watch this cleaning video, I can motivate you to tackle something in your house. That is always the goal for these Tackle Tuesday videos. Remember, you don't need it to be something huge like tackle your garage, but hey, if you want to tackle your garage, then go right ahead, but they just need to be attainable. I've said it so many times in my previous videos. You just want it to be attainable, something that you can actually accomplish today. So on my Tackle Tuesday list, I have the office. I actually switched the toys from the front area of my house to the office because I've been working here for many hours in one day and I just have to keep my eye on my son. He's currently almost 2 years old, and he is like art happy and he likes to grab colors and pens and pencils and just write everywhere. So you'll see in a few clips of his art. He's definitely hit the terrible 2 stage and he's quite the handful. But anyways, I have to tackle the office, and then I'm also going to tidy up the common areas of my house, which is mainly the first floor, the kitchen, the family room, and I am going to mop the floors to finish off. But again, I just kept it very simple and attainable. Now I'm going to be using a magic eraser, and this is awesome for cleaning any of those crayon marks that he has drawn on my furniture. But this is also really good at just erasing any bangs from the walls. I absolutely love this, and I actually mentioned this in my favorite cleaning products video, so if you haven't checked that out, I will definitely link that below. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's MultiSurface Cleaner in the scent Basil. This has become one of my favorites. I was obsessed with honeysuckle for a while, but this has definitely taken over. I love this scent, and I'm just cleaning my desk and anywhere where I pass the magic eraser. And then after I clean my desk, I'm going to move on to my husband's. Now I'm going to dust my husband's models, and I don't even know what this thing is called, but he bought it a few years ago. It's some sort of like air blower, but obviously without the harsh chemicals, so it's safe to use. And I'm thinking that you guys can use this if you have like indoor plants that you want to dust. I know those are kind of tricky to dust. You can definitely use this, so if I find the name of it, I will definitely link it down below as well. To dust the bookshelf, I will be using a Swiffer dusting pad. These are my favorites because they definitely collect and trap all the dust. So after vacuuming, I will go in with that same magic eraser and just erase any marks from the floor. My dishes have been soaking for a while, so what I'm going to do is put them in the dishwasher so that the dishwasher can wash them, because I did not have the time to hand wash all those dishes. It was just going to take way too long. I do not have any baby soap to wash the bottles, but I will go in with the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap in the scent Basil. Again, this has become my favorite scent. It just smells so lovely while I'm washing dishes. If any of you girls watching this have kids, let me know at what age did your kids stop drinking in bottle. I don't know, I feel like he's still too little, but at the same time he's growing up so fast. So let me know at what age they stopped drinking bottle, because I don't know if it's still too soon to let go of the bottle for him. But let me know in the comments below. I would definitely love to hear your opinions. So now I'm just cleaning my sink, and I'm actually going to post a video very soon on exactly how I deep clean my sink. I think you guys will like that one. It's a short, sweet, and simple video, but very informational. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm just going to use the Method Daily Granite Cleaner to clean my countertops. I'm changing my kitchen towel, and this is something that I do every week or so just because those get pretty gross. Using my favorite glass cleaner, it's the spray away glass cleaner. I'm cleaning this family room console table because it's at my kid's height. This is definitely where you will find the most fingerprints in my house. So before I mop, vacuuming is the last thing I'm going to do. And yes, that is my son sitting in the sofa I just fixed. Yep, story of my life. I diluted some pine salt in water, and I'm using that orange German chamois that I've talked about before. It's my favorite thing to clean the floor. And yes, after that, that's it. My house is done, and I have accomplished what I wanted to for today. Again, it wasn't super hard or very lengthy. It was just very attainable for me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't leave without subscribing. I would love to have you here on the Mom Life Balance. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.